Friends, hello, what is up? Thank you for joining me here. Let's talk about Sundial growers. Now, things are not going well right now for Sundial grower investors. Things just keep getting worse, they keep getting worse. Now, I do want to bring your attention to some fake news that's been going on here. Supposedly, The Rock tweeted that we need 420 to happen for Sundial growers. Listen, as far as we can tell, this did not happen. This is how far people are going to push this 420 news. Investors, common people, whatever you want to say, what it might be, they are pushing for this 420 thing to happen. Now, in my last video, I told people, do not get stuck in this 420 news. It is a huge gamble. It is a huge risk if you are willing to put money in there. Now, if you have money just to blow and set on fire, yeah, do what you want to do. You are your own investor, and that's what makes investing fun. But if you're already in this pretty deep, or you just want to take a huge risk, I would very much warn you, my friend, this could get ugly real fast. But as much as people want this to go up, you have to remember there's people that are betting against you too for this stock to fall apart with the puts they have on this. But when it comes to this 420 talk, there's no like article, there's no rally, there's no meetings, there's no big things happening. This is just talk with investors. Common people, common investors are trying to get going, much like a GameStop situation here. Now, could this happen? Yeah, sure, absolutely, this could happen. Anything's possible. This is the stock market. There's no rules here. Sundial could go to 50 cents tomorrow, or it could go to $5 on 520. Who knows? I'm willing to bet against that, but if we keep having people talk about it, especially famous people, who knows what could happen here? Things could get pretty crazy real fast. Now, friends, when it comes to Sundial, the stock itself is just doing terrible. It's just falling and falling and falling. And I know there's so many of you that have bought Sundial at a very high price, and now you're like, what the crap is going on here? Well, first, two things. The stock market has just been sucking. Literally, we can't get anything going here with this market. We've had a buying market for about 2 months now. The problem is everything we bought the first month, it's gone down even more. So now we're looking at this going, okay, when is the green day gonna come? When, I miss my up and downs like we were having 4 months ago. But friends, you have to understand everything that is going on right now in the States with talk of this new bill, talks of another stimulus, and stimulus are not really helping right now. Now we're having talks of the housing market could possibly falling apart. We're talking about inflation happening. So all of this stuff is scaring investors, and people are not moving money around like they were just even 4 months ago when we were under a Trump administration. But now that we're under a Biden administration, things have definitely changed a little bit. A Biden administration is not all bad right now if you're an investor with Sundial growers. Let me explain why. Right now, the obvious biggest thing that Sundial growers, that every cannabis stock needs at this point, whether it's Aurora or it's Sundial growers, whatever it be, this company, this product, it needs legalization everywhere. Not just in your hometown, but it needs in your home state. So I've said this before, and if you watch my videos, you've heard me say this. You're buying into a stock, a company with a product that is not legal to use everywhere. And when you can use it, there are restrictions when, where, who, with, and what, how, and why, with what time zone, whatever it might be, who you're with, when you can use it, which still has major pullback on the cannabis companies today. But you better believe that this Democratic Party that's in charge right now, they will be legalizing this stuff within the next 4 years everywhere. It's pretty much guaranteed, friends. I mean, they're going for it. They're gonna do it. So the question is right now, how long can you wait? How long can you wait? How long can you put money into Sundial growers and be able to watch your money go from maybe even right now to a 50 cent to a 30 cent range, probably back to $1 range, and then whenever this stuff is legalized, if Sundial growers can survive till that point, and hoping to God there's not a reverse split with that, are you able to wait this out? But the positive news with Sundial growers right now, this is a very popular company. This is a very popular stock. So friends, the only thing right now that could bring this stock up is the talks of legalization. And this could only take a few months for this to actually start kicking in more here. But right now, marijuana legalization is sweeping through the states, just as you see here in Virginia, New Mexico, New Jersey, New York. But what all these cannabis stocks need right now, they need legalization, guys. Right now, we're sitting at a 1.66 billion market cap on Sundial with a short interest of 193.63 million and an average volume of 517.18 million. Actually, some pretty good volume right there on this stock, but still, it is falling apart. Now, I definitely expect Sundial to probably go back to $1.15. I don't think that's crazy. I think you're going to have some movement here with this stock here a little bit, because you're going to have people using this as a short trade back and forth, until maybe it just gets ran out. And then this could definitely sit at an 80 cent to 70 cent range, maybe even $1 range. But expect Sundial to be taking some abuse here. This probably isn't going to get pretty here for a little bit longer. Like I said, if you're willing to wait and just watch what happens and keep buying 100 shares, 1,000 shares, that's totally up to you. Because here's the last ending part of the whole video, guys. Imagine when the whole United States becomes legalized. It's going to be a different ballpark. It's going to be a different game. You're going to have these cannabis stocks fighting over each other, but you're going to start to see a lot more movement in these companies. Friends, we will talk about Sundial again real soon. Best of luck out there trading. Pretty dangerous waters right now. But thank you so much for spending time here watching this, listening to this if you made it that far. Remember, be positive, be you. Take time to invest in your future. Guys, it's so important. Start a YouTube channel, go to school, become a plumber, get a trade, whatever you want to do. Just invest time in you. It's so important and it's so healthy. Or just be a professional video game player. It's whatever you want to do. But friends, God bless you and I will talk to you very soon. Bye, friends.